find the lateral area of the composite shown below. A composite figure is combining two or more 3D shapes and creating one. So as you can see, we have a hexagonal prism and a hexagonal pyramid. Okay, and it continues telling us that the pyramid has a vertical height of 4 feet there, and the hexagonal bases have the apothem measuring 5.19. Remember that from the center of the hexagon drawn perpendicular to one side is called the apothem, and that creates this 90-degree angle. So this one here is 5.19. You form the chart and pull out the prism of the lateral area for a prism and for a pyramid. Okay, so the lateral area of a prism. Okay, we want to be in this section, and we want to go over here to prism. We want to get this formula, and then we want to move over here to the right and get this formula. Write both of those down. So for the prism, and then we want to add in the pyramid. So prism plus pyramid. Okay, the prism is perimeter times height, and the pyramid is 1/2 times perimeters times slant height. The prism is a hexagon. That means it's 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you notice that there are tick marks here. That telling the reader, that this is a regular. That means all the sides are equal. So the perimeter is 6 times 6. Let's make us a note up here. So perimeter of the hexagon, the perimeter of the hexagonal prism is 36. The height, remember, of the prism, there's your height. So the height equals 8. Let's go ahead and jot that in here, the formula. 36 times 8 plus, and I always like to turn that into a decimal. All right, times, and then the perimeter of the pyramid up here is going to be the same as the bottom piece. Okay, it's a hexagonal pyramid, so we already know the perimeter for that is still 36. Now the slant height we have to find, just like you did before. And let's go this way and draw in the apothem from here to here, and the triangle that we want to work with now, and move that 90-degree here. We know the apothem is 5.19, and let's go ahead and jot that in here, 5.19. That's the apothem from here to here, and we know that this is 4, right? And I showed you how to determine using the square root symbol to get this piece. So that's going to be the square root 5.19 squared plus 4 squared. If you'll put that into the calculator, you'll find the slant height. So control x squared, 5.19 squared plus 4 squared, that's 6.7 for the slant height. So the slant height, L, which is that piece we just found, is 6.6. So now we know everything. 6.6. I need you to turn this into the answer. Okay, so 36 times 8 plus 0.5 times 36 times, now arrow up and get that slant height. That way we get all the decimal places, and when you, at the end, you can round. Now's the time you round. So 405.9. 405.9. Okay, select the correct answer.